Did you guys get your Coinbase account restricted, and you don't know why it got restricted? So you want to know how you guys can unrestricted Coinbase account again? Well, you guys are at the right video, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a way how you guys can contact Coinbase staffs, so you can unrestricted your account, because contacting Coinbase is the only way to fix this problem. And remember, if you guys violated the community guidelines of Coinbase, and did something wrong, and got the Coinbase account restricted, that there is no way to unrestricted your Coinbase account again, because you can say that you did something wrong and they took action for it. But if it did nothing wrong and still your account got restricted, then you guys can watch our video until the end in order to fix this problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. So you just need to contact Coinbase stuff. So if somebody says you can download this app, you can download this thing, or you can go to this website, enter your Coinbase information is going to get unrestricted, and please don't do that. It's basically them trying to steal your information. So please don't go to any third-party website or anywhere. Alright, you need to go to the official websites of Coinbase. In order to fix this problem, which I'm going to be showing you, first step, you gotta go on Google, and you got to search for Coinbase Contact. Once you search for Coinbase Contact, are going to give you this number. You can call this number and Coinbase stuff is going to pick up. Once they pick up, they're going to teach you how you guys can unrestrict your account, right? They're going to tell you why they decided to restrict your account. And the other thing you can just do is click on how can I contact Coinbase support. Once you do that, it'll take you to the official website of Coinbase. Over here, they're going to give you different options on how you guys can contact them, like number or live messaging or email requests, or Twitter, or other ways on how you guys can fix this problem. So this is the official website of Coinbase. By official I mean this is the official help website of Coinbase. You don't have to get worried about your information getting leaked or your account getting hacked. Alright, so for this kind of thing, make sure you go to the official website of Coinbase and your problem should be fixed. Alright, so the only way to fix this is by contacting them. So contact them and ask why they decided to restrict your account. If they restricted their account for no reason, or like the mistake, or restricted their account, they're going to enlist that. Alright, so that's it, guys can fix the problem. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, everybody. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.